Wow, this is amazing.
I know, right? Ole, come on, Grayson. We got to keep concentrate. This isn't a game. Oh yeah, I didn't know that. Come on, we have to keep focus before it finds us. Are we there yet? No. Are we there yet? No. Are we there yet? No. No. Are we there yet? 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 Not yet. Are we there yet? I said not yet. Are we there yet? No. Are we there yet? Yes. Really? No. Oh. Are we there yet? No. Are we yet? No. Are we there yet? I said no. Come on.
Hey, wait for me!
Oh, there you are.
Oh, hi, Big Ben. Oh, yeah.
Hobby Racer, we're here. Oh yeah. Follow us.
Oh, okay. Wait for me!
Are we there yet? No. 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 Are we there yet? No. Then quit and are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? It's hurting our heads.
Get to the end already.
I can't. I have to get the mission started before the villain does. Maybe I'm gonna turn away. Are you serious? Dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Ah! Are we there yet? Yes, Danzel, we made it, huh? There it is. That's the Queen's Kingdom. Where at London, where it was.
We did it. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go!
Yeah, come on. Come on, we're gonna... Ah, look out! Oh, duck. What were we duck for?
Yeah. Hello. Hi there.
Come on, let's go. Go. Gotcha. See, now you're coming with us. The leader wants you. Not so fast, huh? Who said that? Attack! Here's Grayson! Don't say attack! It's never fear, Queen. Come on. Old hero Grayson's with me. Hey, put me down. Gotcha. Oh, you saved me. Come on, Your Majesty. We gotta get you to the ship before the villains does. Come on. Oh, come on, go. Oh, come on, go.
Oh, yeah, which one?
Yes, Spies, we did it. Hooray, we did it. Yeah, we did it. Oh, yeah. Good work, Spies. Mission accomplished. Now, we're gonna get to Georgia and go home. Right, Grayson? Who wants a piece of cake? I had to explain this. Oh,
Why, hello there. Who are you?
I am Hora Shifwell, the agent leader of the Spies of London. Oh, nice to meet you. I'm Grayson. And Bucketeers. And so, who's ready to join at the Grayson way? Die. Oh no, Happy Racer, you go fix the ship. And Grayson, go to gun cannons.
Got it.
Okay, I'm ready. Go ahead, fix it now. Tick tock. Oh. Say bye-bye, villain.
Not.
We did it.
Ready?
Yes, we did it. The ship is repaired, but unfortunately, we're out of gas. Ah!
Is everyone okay? Yeah. Come on, we gotta do this. Denzel, you stay in the ship. To keep an eye on the Queen, and don't go anywhere. I won't, Master. I won't.
Come on, we got to do this.
It won't be that long.